LUTs. They promise to take this and do this. Or maybe even turn something like this into that. Well, we all know that's impossible, but what is possible is Cinema Grade lets you color grade directly on the image and change the colors of things by simply clicking on them and dragging. You see, 10 years ago, when I was first getting started, color wheels and curves were the only way to do color grading. Wait, I think that's still the case. But really, how much time does it take and how frustrating is it to master tools that were developed in the 90s? Heck, if you're my age, you might have still just been getting your first crush. But those are the current tools and why so many are resorting to LUTs, which quite frankly, they can work in the short term, but in the long run, they end up coming back to haunt you, kind of like a bad rash. So what would it be like if you didn't have to read the instruction manual or sift through tons of tutorials and LUTs? I mean, what if there was a tool that made color grading simple and intuitive? Well, that is why we created Cinema Grade to make color grading easier and faster on the Mac. Oh, sorry. This video is about you who's staring back at me on a Windows computer. After being flogged publicly in social media for feeling ignored, though I did particularly love this comment, the message was clear. Make Cinema Grade for Windows or else. Well, I'm pleased to announce Cinema Grade for Windows, where you can finally change the color of the sky in your honeymoon video that you still haven't delivered. Or maybe turn your mother-in-law into an alien. Maybe give her a little pimple. No, you can't actually do that. But really, color grading on the image is so much faster and intuitive when you can just click on the things that you want to change and then just do it. You see, Cinema Grade gets applied to clips as a plugin inside of Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. You then grade in a new groundbreaking viewer and then apply the grade back inside of Premiere or Resolve for some sweet awesomeness. Changes are saved in a Lightroom style inspector if that's the way you prefer to work, but I think you'll find it so much faster and easier grading on the image. If you're like, I don't care, can you just do it for me? Well, if you pop in one of these, Cinema Grade can do an auto correction for you. If you hate using the video scopes, well, why not try the false color feature where you can see which parts of the image are too bright or too dark. Areas too bright are shown in red and can be fixed by clicking and dragging down. Things that are too dark, shown as purple, just click and drag up. And the sweet spot for skin tones is in the gray, green, and pink areas. Do you got like 10,000 LUTs that you bought off some guy on Facebook? Hey, I'm not judging, we've all been there, but why scroll through an endless list of names when you can see them previewed in real time as thumbnails? Plus, we have over 90 built-in colors looks and emulations from some of the most beautiful, creamy looking film stocks, plus film grain that hipsters can eat their heart out to. If shot matching keeps giving you the runaround, our shot matching page combined with a professionally guided workflow, you'll be matching clips and finishing projects 3 times faster than ever before. And if you want the epic look of your favorite film like Joker or maybe Princess Bride, try the look transfer feature to get you to a good starting point. So here's the thing and why we're here. We're a small company and we don't have some investor or rich dad to fund us. You've asked us to bring Cinema Grade to Windows, so we're asking you to partner with us in turning it into a reality. We have a proven, solid track record on the Mac side with tens of thousands of satisfied users, and we now want to bring it to you on Windows. We have the team in place and the resources to complete the port, and now is the best time to get it before anyone else and get it at a ridiculous price. So what should you do? On our Kickstarter page, you'll find different perks and rewards to fit your needs and budget. Some perks and rewards are limited in quantity, so I invite you to not put this off and reserve your position in getting this exciting grading tool. I want to invite you to get the proven plugin that gets the cinema look the easiest and fastest way possible on Windows. Thank you.